Hi, this is Marina from Health Glows, a certified raw vegan diet and healthy lifestyle coach. In this video, I want to present you one of my favorite kitchen appliances, and that is a food processor. The reason why this is one of my favorite kitchen appliances is that due to its versatility, I can make healthy and delicious meals easily and quickly with this kitchen appliance. I'm always surprised when people tell me that they don't have good ideas on how to use food processor. And this is why I decided to make this video for you and to show you some of my favorite ideas for using this amazing kitchen appliance.
First, we are making a fruit porridge. Prepare bananas, apples and dates. Choose the right blade for the food processor. Put all the ingredients in the food processor. Pulse them only a few times. The porridge is ready, but if we want to add something crunchy to it, we can easily do it. Put some dried apples in the food processor and process them finely. Now we are adding the finely chopped dried apples and a bit of cinnamon to the porridge. The porridge is ready and it's very tasty. Now we are making a salad. Vegetables are ready. Cut the iceberg lettuce. Choose the shredding blade for the food processor. Shred the lettuce. Now we are going to use the S blade in the food processor. And put celery, avocado and tomatoes in the food processor. Process it all together into a salad dressing. Add the dressing to the shredded iceberg lettuce. Mix everything well. And the salad is ready. Are you maybe for some ice cream? Here it comes! Let's take a couple of frozen bananas, chop them and put them in the food processor. process them into an icy and creamy pleasure. Are you craving some pasta? A piece of cake. Peel some zucchinis. Process zucchinis into pasta. Add the desired dressing to the pasta. And plate it nicely. And how about a pie? Choose the right blade for the food processor. Slice the apples. Apple slices will serve as a pie crust. Make the pie filling by mixing bananas and dried apples. Add the filling to the crust. Close the pie mold and put it in the freezer to make the pie firm. Enjoy! In this video I have showed you 5 simple yet delicious and healthy raw vegan recipes. I have another surprise for you, and it is in my book Raw for Glow, which gives you 111 low-fat raw vegan recipes. By ordering a food processor through my How Glows website, you get the recipe book Raw for Glow for only 50% of the full price of the book.
The food processor can be ordered through my website, so please go ahead and click that link in the description of this video. I hope that this video was useful and beneficial to you, and if that's so, please give it a thumbs up, share it, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and make sure that you click on that bell icon beside the subscription button, because I have so many more videos that I'm preparing for you and I would love you to enjoy them. And please let me know in the comments below, do you use food processor in your kitchen? And if you do, what is your experience with using this great kitchen appliance? Until the next video, I'm sending you warm regards. Keep glowing. Bye bye.